Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, September 14th, 2019. On September 10th, the alert level was raised to orange for the Villarrica volcano and the Nevados de Chilean complex in Chile due to an increase in activity over the past few days, as loud rumblings, increased seismic activity, minor explosions, and a more turbulent lava lake has been observed. An exclusion zone of 2 kilometers is now in place at the Villarrica volcano. Strombolian activity continues from the northeast crater at Mount Etna in Italy, producing ash plumes that disperse near the summit area, accompanied by elevated volcanic tremor activity, which has now reached values similar to the eruptions in December of 2018 and May of 2019, increasing the possibility of a large-scale eruption in the near future. On the 13th, the alert level was raised to 3 at the Karangetang volcano in Indonesia, after experiencing continuous eruptive activity since September 12th, prompting evacuations near the crater and a 4-kilometer exclusion zone. On the 11th, there was a deep magnitude 6.1 earthquake off the coast of New Zealand at a depth of 706 kilometers. On September 12th, 2 people died after the worst storm in over a century hit Spain, bringing tornadoes, severe hail, and devastating flooding. Some areas experienced nearly 11 inches of rain within hours. Also on the 12th, strong storms caused extreme flooding in Algeria, dragging vehicles through torrents of water and damaging homes and buildings. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Protect your body against the toxins we're exposed to every day through our food, water, and air. Check out GetTheT.com. They have everything you need to get your body and mind back to a healthy state. Right now you can get over $100 off a 12-month supply of Life Change Tea. And when you get 2 of the Takedown Teas, you get 1 free. Use promo code FORBIDDEN when you check out to get free shipping. That's GetTheT.com.